some people experience a lot of distress when they're dealing with a dental problem, and they keep on thinking about this problem over and over again, causing them to feel worried and frustrated. This video is not about feeling worried before meeting a dentist or before a dental procedure, but when we feel there's something wrong in our mouth and we don't know what it is. And the uncertainty around what's going on is causing our mind to come up with all kinds of bad scenarios. And that's normal and common. But the problem starts when these bad scenarios keep coming back over and over again to the degree we feel obsessed about this dental issue. There are a few reasons why people develop this intense worrying thinking, and I would like to mention two of those reasons. The first reason is what we call the pink elephant phenomena, and it goes like this. Try not to think about the pink elephant. You can't. Telling our mind not to think about something actually triggers that thought. So trying not to think about dental problems is actually causing us to think about dental problems. Second reason for intense worrying thinking is online research. And the reason for that is what we call the confirmation bias, which goes like this. When we have a pre-existing concern or opinion, and we search for information about this topic, we tend to focus on the information which confirms our initial concern. And as a result, the online research reflects and echoes whatever we were worried about. The best way to ease your mind about a dental issue is to go to see a dentist. That's what dentists are trained for. And if a specific dentist can't diagnose, they should refer you to someone who can. Having said that, it takes time to get a dental appointment, a few days or even weeks. And during that time, the uncertainty, worriedness, and stress can increase. There are a few things you can do about that to lessen the stress. For example, practice mindfulness or distract your mind with something you like. But I would like to share with you a few tips about dental worrying, or to be more exact, what to do regarding the pink elephant phenomena and online research in regards to dental worrying. From my experience as a dental practitioner and a coach for anxious patients, I can tell you that patients are very bad in diagnosing their own dental problems. Patients know best when something is wrong, but they don't know the reason for that, nor how best to treat it. I'll give you a very common example when feeling pain in the mouth. On many occasions, patients don't know which tooth is causing the pain, nor whether it's coming from the tooth itself or the gum. And when dealing with a real toothache, when the pain spreads all over, it's difficult to know whether it's coming from the upper or lower jaw. And sometimes it's not a dental problem, it's coming from the muscle or a sinus infection. For describing a dental problem, we use words like pain or sensitivity, bleeding gum, swelling, discoloration, and more. However, words like infection, inflammation, abscess, caries, gum disease are all diagnoses. And again, you as a patient are very good in describing the dental problem. But for diagnosing the dental problem, you need a skillful dentist who examines your teeth in person. As I said before, the internet is a tricky source of information. However, it can be a great source of emotional support because there are many emotions that come along worrying thinking. For example, frustration. We feel like we have no control over our mind. Another emotion is loneliness, because all of this is taking place in our heads and it seems like nobody can really understand us. Another emotion is self-blaming. It's our fault for having these dental problems. Hopelessness it feels like there is no way out of this situation. It helps so much to share the emotional burden with someone who experiences what you're experiencing, who knows exactly what you're talking about. I recommend the website dentalfearcentral.org, which not only contains great information, but also have a very active forum where you can find the support and advice you need. I invite you to watch more of my videos on treatyourdentalfear.com.